To apply for a course, visit the UHI Perth website. Select the Schools button at the top to view the Schools College Partnership courses. Once you're on the Courses for School Pupils page, select the course you are interested in. You can view the course information, entry requirements and apply. Once you have clicked Create an Account, you will be asked to complete information to create a new user. Select your title, your name, your surname, your date of birth, your gender, and make sure these details are correct. You will then be asked to put in your email address and create a password. Please ensure you have a note of your password as you will need it in the future. You can now start to complete the application checklist. You can give us an alternate email address to make sure we can always contact you. Tell us which school you attend and if you have ever been a student with us previously. You'll need to tell us the area of your permanent residence or home address and what type of contact number you have. Complete your address details and double check to make sure these are correct. You will also need to provide a phone number. In the personal statement section, this gives you an opportunity to tell us about why you want to take the course, why you think you will succeed in this course, and any relevant experience you have that might affect your studies. This is your chance to really express yourself and tell us what you want to do this course for, and is a great opportunity to make your application stand out from the crowd. You need to tell us about any relevant qualifications. Qualifications that you have already achieved can be added in section 1, and you can click Add Another to add more qualifications. In the free text boxes below, you can tell us about qualifications you may be unable to add in the top section, or ones you have already obtained or you're currently studying. It is really important to complete this section as our academic teams use it to review your application. Once you've added all your qualifications, you will be asked to tell us about your health. Please select any that apply to you. Please complete the additional details section. At the end, you will be asked to complete the declaration by selecting that you confirm the information you have given is correct and then entering your full name. Once you hit the Submit Application button, the application will be sent through to us for review. Please check your email account for our confirmation. This may go to the junk folder in your email. If you do not receive the confirmation, please contact our admissions team. Your application will be reviewed by early May, and you should hear back from our admissions team via email. Now that you've submitted your application, if you want to review it at any time, visit the applicant portal tile on the homepage of our website and log in. The applicant portal is divided into two sections. The upper section is your personal details. The lower section is the course details. In the personal details section, you have the option to update your home or contact address, phone number and email address. If you change your name, you will need to contact our admissions team by clicking on the applicant queries link and supplying the appropriate evidence such as a deed poll document. In the lower section, this will list all the courses you have either started an application for or submitted an application for. If you started an application and saved it to complete later, you will see the button to continue the application. Once complete, you can submit it. Once you have submitted your application, you will be able to view any emails or correspondence, respond to an offer which has been made to give you a place, upload documents to the portal, view your application form. If you have been made an offer of a place, you will see the status of the offer against the individual course. The button to apply for another course will take you to the mainstream courses, not the Schools College Partnership courses. You will need to go back to the Schools College Partnership area of the website to apply for another course. Once you have applied for a course, you can log back into our applicant portal to view your details and the courses you have applied for.